there, guys. Thanks for coming back to the show. What do I have for you today on Fox Body Shoe 5.0? Well, the Mustang is still in the shop, so has nothing to do with the Fox Body today. But it does have to do with some performance. And this is something that I've been waiting for. I told you guys about in the last video that we were looking to go ahead and do to our new Explorer. So this is another episode that has to do with our 2018 Explorer 3.5 liter, and it is right there, the K&N Air intake system, guys. Alright, so we're going to be putting that on and installing that today. So this is going to be a video on that, and we're going to be getting rid of this right here on the Explorer. So I'm putting that K&N in there. So, alright, so I'll be back with you guys and I'll show you what's in the components of the box here. Okay, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are the components, and everything there in view is what comes in the box. Okay, I didn't go ahead and do an unboxing of it, but everything is right there. There's your tube, filter, okay, case that's going to go ahead and go on there, the rubber that's going to go around the outside of it, okay, your inlet tubes, okay, and clamps and wiring. Alright, so all the components are in here, so that's awesome. We're going to go ahead and get ready to get started. Alright, I'm probably going to put you on time lapse. I might go ahead and come in from time to time just to give you guys, there's a couple other videos out there that give an overview of the install on these. But I still want to go ahead and do my own, put my own little spin on some of the things for you guys, like I always do. You know, just incorporating a little bit of what I've already watched and a little bit of what I do as well in this. So first thing we're going to do is disconnect the negative battery cable, and then we'll get started, guys. Alright, so I'll be back with you. Hey there, guys. Just thought I'd give you a quick update here. I started to go ahead and tear apart per the directions here of K&N and also the videos that I've watched, and started to take this apart so we can go ahead and install the new K&N air intake system. And I have a different setup of some sort. I definitely don't have a turbo, so it's not that. It is a VIN code 8 Explorer 3.5 liter dual overhead cam, but there's supposed to be, according to the directions right here, supposed to be a mass airflow sensor. I don't have one. I checked to go ahead and see if they put it under here or anything. Nowhere. So I've gone ahead and unhooked the crankcase vent tube like they ask. Up here, the emissions tube, I left that attached as of right now. I believe this right here is my mass airflow sensor, which, if that is the case, it's into the throttle body here. So what I've done is I've actually called K&N Tech Hotline, and I got a guy over there who's working and doing a great job for me. He and I talked on the phone. He emailed me, and I've emailed him some pictures. So we're just kind of in a holding pattern right now, guys, to kind of see where we're at. So I'm going to button this back up for right now, and wait to hear back from K&N and see what they got going on. You know, it's kind of crazy. You know, they only offer two different systems for this, either a turbo one or a 3.5 liter on it. And you know, I've got a VIN code 8, and that's what I ordered. But I don't know if somewhere along the way, after, you know, 2017 or something, that they made a change in the location of the mass airflow sensor. We're kind of waiting to find out here. So alright, I'll go ahead and wait to hear back from K&N, button this up, and then I'll be back with you guys. Alright, take care, talk to you soon. Hey guys, I'm back here with you. Sorry for I know it wasn't that long for you guys, but in the delay with the K&N air filter intake video here, but came into a little bit of a snag on this. So when you last saw here, just before this portion of the video picked up, I ran into a problem with the air tube intake on this. So ours is a VIN 8, okay, 2018 Ford Explorer 3.5 liter dual overhead cam, and the mass airflow sensor is not located right by the air box as per the directions, as per a lot of things on this vehicle. So I'm not quite sure what the deal is with our Explorer. I did go ahead and just looking through pictures and stuff, I didn't see something else across the internet come up on these. But anyways, this, after talking with K&N tech support, the place where I went ahead and purchased the the K&N through, which is not their fault at all. I ordered everything per what it says on our vehicle, but for some reason our vehicle just doesn't have the mass airflow sensor in the location where it's supposed to be, which is right down by the air box right there. Our mass airflow sensor is actually located up in the throttle body on that. And if you guys know of any kind of fixes or anything, please comment below. I'd love to go ahead and find out, but I am returning this kit back to Car ID. Again, it's not their fault at all. K&N just does not have an intake system for our setup on the Explorer. Again, 3.5 liter dual overhead cam, but the only two kits that they go ahead and make for it is this one, and then of course the one for the EcoBoost, which is a turbo, which we don't have a turbo by any means. So is what it is. That's what happens, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to wrap up this video, package this all back up, and send it back to Car ID, and see what we can go ahead and get for it down the road future. Maybe K&N will come out with something that will be more to be able to fit this engine, but at this time they said they don't have anything. So alright, but again, if you guys know anything, please go ahead, comment down below, help me out. I'm always looking to hear from you guys anyways, and if you guys got some knowledge, please go ahead and share it, guys. If not, other than that, alright, that kind of wraps up this video. Again, thank you for going ahead and subscribing, sharing, alright, and make sure that you go ahead and hit that bell and be able to get the latest and greatest content coming out from Fox Body Shoot 5.0. Alright, talk to you guys next time. Thanks again. See ya.